Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a quiet and peaceful neighborhood here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So right now, we're going to tour this 290 square meter house which rests on a lot area of 204 square meters. Let's go! Upon entering the house, you can see that the ground level is elevated about 3 feet from the street level, and on your left you have access towards the side of the house, and on your right you have a carport area that can easily fit 3 vehicles. What you see over here is a mezzanine space which serves as your maid's room. That's why you have your stairs over here. You have access here leading to the side of the house, leading to the kitchen. And on this side, you have a storage room. Now let's head on in towards the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. We're shooting this video late in the afternoon so that the lights can really showcase the great architecture of the house. You can see that they really maximize the space by having a high ceiling upon entering the house, and you really have a nice mix of glass, steel, and wood for your staircase heading on up. And here you have your main living and dining space, which has an open concept plan. This house is perfect for a family of 3 to 5 members. You also have beautiful and warm cove lighting for the whole living space. So you can have a living room set on this side, and on this side you can have a dining table which can fit about 4 to 6 people. And it has a lot of ventilation because you have these sliding doors leading to the side of the house and towards the back of the house. So when you open these up, you have an additional patio space which you can walk around towards the corner and back of the house. So here you have access leading to the front, and here you have an additional nook here where you can have a table and a couple of chairs. So this is a nice place to relax, and you can actually even have access towards your dirty kitchen area from here. And now let's head on in. Let's take this sliding door. From your dining space, let's now take a look at your open kitchen. You have a well-planned C-shaped kitchen wherein you have a really elegant blend of dark cabinetry mixed with this light stone tile. You also have a nice distance between your sink, your refrigerator, and your stove, which you can have here. So it's a working triangle that makes it very easy for you to navigate the kitchen. From here, you also have access leading to the side of the house. So on this side, you have a dirty kitchen and laundry area over here. So this is just getting finished. This is all gonna get cleaned out in the next few days. And on here you have a space where you can have your laundry. Potentially in the future, you could potentially have a covering here so that it will be easier to manage when you're doing laundry. And on this side, you have access leading to the carport area. Now let's head on. From your kitchen space and your main dining and living area, let's now take a look at your first bedroom. The first bedroom is a great space that you can also use as a home office. You have a provision here for your own light fixture, so this room can get even brighter. And you can also make this a playroom or an additional movie room to add to your living space here in the first floor. And on this side, you have one of the most well-designed bathrooms that I've seen, and it also doubles as your powder room for guests because there's another access door leading to the living space. Let's take a look. So you have really unique tiling for your bath space and a full bath area. Okay? Let's head on now. And over here you see that you have an access door here leading to the same bathroom. And now let's head on up towards your second level where we have 3 bedrooms. Let's go. One of the things that which really stood out here for the staircase is it's very spacious in terms of navigating it. So this is a lot of space for the middle part of the staircase, but it's excellent, especially if you have family members who are a bit senior and they don't want very steep stairs or hard to climb stairs. And over here you have your master bedroom. Your master bedroom already has built-in cabinetry and it's facing the east side of the property. That's why we're shooting this late in the afternoon. It's very cool on this side because sunset is on the other side. In addition, you also have a spacious balcony which wraps around the corner of the room. So from here, you have additional space all the way here. Let's head back in. I'd like you to also notice the high ceilings, which gives it a more open feel. And here you have your master bathroom. What really makes the bathroom stand out are the 3 large mirrors, which makes the whole space look much bigger and also gives it a very elegant feel. And now let's take a look at your third and fourth bedrooms. You can see that the great combination of this wooden color, the flooring, and the white walls makes it very refreshing. Even with the width of the hallway, the height compensates for it, so it doesn't feel cramped at all. And from here, let's take a look at your third bedroom. This third bedroom has its own built-in cabinetry. And in terms of what type of aircon you'd like to place here, we already have provisions So we can easily adjust if you want a window type or a split type air conditioning unit. And the third room has a shared bathroom with the fourth room. So it already comes with a tempered glass shower enclosure and a really elegant tiled wall, as well as additional storage space. So they really maximize the height of the space, and it really shines through because of the tiling. And here we have your fourth room. It's more spacious than the third room. It's also a corner room, and you also have built-in cabinetry here on the side. You already have a space here where you can have your large widescreen TV, and you can orient a bed on this corner.
For the specific home features, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a carport that can accommodate 3 vehicles, an open living space, a dining area, an open kitchen, a high ceiling for the entrance area, a spacious master bathroom, a balcony area, a patio area, and a maid's room. And all of this in a centrally located residential community near Alabang.
If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message on Instagram or Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this stylish and distinct brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale in PF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.